Now let me show you how to properly set up your 10x free traffic funnel, and the first thing you want to do is actually create or duplicate the most important page in the funnel, and which is the thank you page or the delivery page, where after subscribing your subscribers will access the PDF, the lead magnet, and also they can upgrade from there, which will make you commissions, and they can also follow you on the other programs that we are cross promoting on the thank you page. So this is a very important page. You need to start with it, and for that open your Leadsleap account, go to page manager, click to create a new page and give it a name. It's up to you. Let me just call it TY only, just for example. And then these red writing, you will not see it if you have other pages on the system, but as soon as you create the first page, they will disappear from here. Anyways, you want to import the design, so you need to have the share code. After upgrading, you will find them below this video. So click on this button and then paste the share code here and click import now. Okay, it's done. Now we have a thank you page with a link pointing to it, and this is exactly what you will have. And of course, you need to edit this page to put your own affiliate links. For example, here you can put the rebranded copy of the PDF. I'll show you in a bit how to rebrand the PDF to put all your affiliate links inside it. And then the Leadsleap is a good program. You want to recommend this program to your future subscribers. And the third phase here, you will of course invite your subscribers to upgrade on this same system. So you will be sticking your affiliate link for this system on this button here. And of course you can cross promote other useful programs in this matter. So this is the thank you page, and you want to actually go ahead and rebrand it or modify the links. So go back to the page manager and click launch editor, and the page will be open. And of course it's very easy actually to change the links. You point the button and then you go get the link for the rebranded copy and you put it right here on this spot, and you save the changes. And of course you do the same for Leadsleap. You stick your referral link for Leadsleap here on this button, copy paste it here, and you do the same for all the other programs. This you need of course to get your affiliate link for this system and stick it to this button, and you do the same for all the other programs. Step number 2, you want to create the list where all your subscribers will be gathered, and of course on the list of course there will be 10 emails that will be sent day in day out to promote the system and other opportunities. Now you want to click on this button, add a new list, and then give it a name. Of course I'm just going to modify this one here, call it, for example, I call it 10x free traffic, but it's up to you. You can call it whatever you want. You put your name here, or email address, the verification code, and the postal address. And on this field here, very important to remember this, show a link after verification. You want to put the link to your thank you page, so you just copy it from here. You already updated all the links on it, and then when creating the list, make sure you put this link here on this spot and you go save the changes, so the list will be created. And of course after creating the list, you want to come back to these two envelopes here, and you want actually to import the follow-up email series. So for that you want to get the share code and then paste it here. So let me just show you how you do that. So let's say this is the list you just created. I called it 10FTDS. You want to go to these two envelopes here, click on them, and then you want to import this button here. You click on this button here to import, and you paste the share code, you click enter, and then it will ask you for two things: your first name to sign off the emails, and your delivery page link, the one that we just created. You want to give it to this importer so that all the emails will have your first name on them and your link of the thank you page on them. And the last thing you want to do, of course, is import the opt-in page or the capture page, the one that you will be promoting actually to build your email list and send those 10 follow-up emails to your future subscribers. So what you need to do is follow the same method as you did to create the thank you page, and then when you edit this page, the capture page, actually this is how it looks like. You can of course modify if you'd like to, and you know what you're doing. And then of course you want to connect this opt-in page to the list that we just created, so anyone who subscribes here will go to that list. And you want to do it here at the very top. You click list here and then go get the list ID, and then you choose the list you created for this system. Don't forget to put your affiliate link for the system on the spot here so that you promote it right away after opt-in, and you can make commissions, actually 100% commission right away after opt-in. If they don't buy right away, they might buy later when they receive the follow-up emails. So this is how it looks like by the end of the installation. You have a funnel ready to make you opt-ins and commissions, and all you have to do is actually promote your copy of the capture page. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.